Hi there, today we're going to do a really quick unboxing video with the Fanvil X5U. So let's have a look at the label first. We've got our model number, which is the Fanvil X5U. We've got our serial number and we've got our MAC address information. Let's have a look inside. Right, so inside the box we're going to find a quick installation guide. It's going to tell us how we're going to program it and get it going. We have our phone. That's the X5U there. We have a handset, curly cord, a network cable, and our phone stand. So let's get this together. Really simple to put together this phone. So we're going to start by grabbing our phone and we're going to put it upside down on the table. We're going to get our stand, and that just slots in and slides over, like that. Then we're going to get our curly cord and we're going to plug that into the back of the phone where there's a button that looks like a handset. So plug that in there like so, click. Cool, and stand our phone up. And then plug into our handset. And like magic, there is the Fanvil X5U IP phone ready to go. Thank you.